Plant-based diets for seniors, benefits, challenges, and practical tips. Welcome to our lesson on plant-based diets for seniors. Did you know that the right nutrition can significantly boost energy levels, maintain muscle mass, and sharpen mental clarity as we age? Let's dive into how plant-based eating can support aging bodies while tackling some common concerns. As we grow older, our nutritional needs evolve. A plant-based diet, rich in whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and legumes, offers numerous health benefits. It reduces the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and hypertension, which are common among seniors, while promoting overall longevity and vitality. Plant-based eating is naturally high in fiber and antioxidants, aiding digestion and reducing inflammation. Plus, plant-rich meals are heart-healthy and often lower in saturated fat, making them ideal for maintaining cardiovascular health and managing weight, a crucial factor for seniors. Seniors often worry about getting enough protein on a plant-based diet, especially as muscle mass tends to decline with age. However, legumes, tofu, tempeh, and plant-based protein powders can provide ample protein when consumed strategically throughout the day. Another concern is nutrient absorption. Aging bodies may struggle to absorb key nutrients like vitamin B12, iron, and calcium. Including fortified plant-based foods such as almond milk or breakfast cereals can bridge these gaps. Supplements might also be a helpful recommendation after consulting with a healthcare professional. To keep energy levels steady, prioritize complex carbohydrates from foods like quinoa, sweet potatoes, and brown rice. Pair them with healthy fats found in nuts, seeds, avocado, and olive oil for sustained energy throughout the day without blood sugar spikes. For bone health, focus on calcium and vitamin D. Incorporate calcium-rich foods like fortified plant milks, leafy greens, and tahini, while enjoying moderate sun exposure or taking supplements to meet vitamin D needs. Omega-3 fats from flax seeds, walnuts, and algae-based supplements can further promote cognitive health. Start with small changes. Replace 1 or 2 meals a week with plant-based options. Experiment with hearty salads, grain bowls, or bean-based soups. Prioritize variety. Eating the rainbow ensures you get a spectrum of nutrients. Diversify your diet with vibrant fruits and vegetables daily. Use spices and herbs, enhance flavor, and maximize nutrients with anti-inflammatory ingredients like turmeric, ginger, and garlic for more exciting meals. Lastly, seniors should focus on eating enough. Plant-based diets are naturally lower in calories, so including calorie-dense options like avocado, nut butter, and whole grains can prevent unintentional weight loss. Some seniors fear the taste, time commitment, or complexity of plant-based cooking. Simplify it. Opt for frozen fruits and veggies, pre-washed greens, and batch cooking for wholesome meals in less time. Adding herbs and sauces can elevate even the simplest dishes. Concerned about eating out? Research plant-friendly options beforehand, or customize your meals by asking for extra vegetables or requesting vegetarian swaps. Many restaurants are increasingly accommodating plant-based preferences. Now that you know the incredible benefits and practical strategies for adopting a plant-based diet as a senior, it's time to take action. Start small. Try a plant-based meal today or share this video with a loved one. Remember, every step toward a healthier plate is a step toward a healthier life. You've got this.